birthday, girl. Ayan, welcome nanay sa iyong birthday celebration. Grabe, grabe ang magmamahal kay Nanay Eva.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Okay, so once again, palakpakan po natin ang ating birthday celebration ni Nanay Eva. Grabe pa